Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to create a trading strategy using two very simple and well-known indicators that professional traders will love and that will also help beginners achieve consistent profitability. So whether you're a professional trader or a beginner, this video will definitely be useful for you. Without further ado, let's get started with today's trading strategy. First, go to the Tradingview website, which is very popular among traders. After that, we need to select our symbol. You can choose symbols from the forex market, crypto, or even the stock market. Try to choose a symbol that you are familiar with and have traded on a bit. Next, set your time frame to 5 minutes, which I believe is the best time frame for scalping strategies. Then go to the Indicators tab and add our first indicator to the chart. For this, just type Bollinger Bands filter in the search box. Once you find it, simply click on it to add it to your chart. Now that after seeing it on the chart, we need to go into its settings and make the changes you see. Please pay close attention to the numbers as they are very important for us. Once you have correctly completed all the steps, we can start using this indicator as we want. As you can see on the chart, this indicator generates buy and sell signals for us. There is also a line in the middle that constantly changes color from green to red and vice versa. And you see clouds where the price candles are usually located. By looking at them, we can understand where our signals are valid. You can enter a buy trade whenever you see a buy signal and set our stop loss at a safe zone to gain good profits from the market. For instance, at this point, you can see it generated a buy signal for us, and after that, we could enter a buy trade. As you can see, if we had risked $100 in this trade, we could have made a significant profit. When this indicator shows us a sell signal, we can enter a sell trade and set our stop loss at a safe zone to gain good profits from the price decline in the market. For example, at this point, you can see it has generated a sell signal for us. If we had entered this trade with $200, you can see how much profit we could have made. Keep in mind that these were just examples I provided for you, but remember that you should always enter a fixed amount in your trades or use calculations to always enter 1% to 2% of your balance into each trade. In the following examples, you will see that in each trade, I only consider $100 as my risk amount, and you can see how much profit I can make with this indicator. I should mention that we will also use another indicator in this strategy. To add it, go to the Indicators tab and type Stochastic Momentum Index in the search box. Now just select the ones created by Everjet and add it to our chart. Now we need to go into its settings and make the necessary adjustments. As you can see, this indicator consists of two lines whose intersections are important for us. And we also need to look at how these two lines are relative to each other. To learn how to work with these indicators properly, let me tell you that when the SMI line crosses the signal line upwards, it generates a buy signal for us. And at these points, we can look for buy positions. Conversely, when the SMI line crosses the signal line downwards, it generates a sell signal for us, and at this point, we can enter sell trades for good profits. In the following, you will see several examples to fully understand my explanations. Now that you have learned how to work with these two indicators, it's time to combine them and create our strategy for today. But before that, I want you to take a look at the channel because I've created many strategies with different win rates and explained them to you in detail. Let's start with a buy order. First of all, we need to look for a buy signal on the chart, which you can observe at this point. After that, we should check the stochastic indicator and make sure it has also gives us a buy signal, meaning that the SMI line has crossed the signal line upwards and is above it. If both of these conditions are met, we understand that we have found a suitable entry point for this strategy. Now we can set our stop loss a little below the last swing low. Or you can place your stop loss slightly below the SMA line of our first indicator. The choice is yours, but if you choose the second type of stop loss, your risk will be significantly higher and your chance of losing will increase. Personally, I prefer the first type of stop loss. After that, we need to enter the trade, and for the take profit, you just need to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now we should wait for the trade to close profitably. For sell orders, you should initially look for a sell signal. After that, check the second indicator to ensure it confirms this sell signal as well. When these two conditions are met, we know we have found a suitable entry point for the trade. Now we can set our stop loss slightly above the last swing high. Then we enter the sell trade and can consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for our take profit and wait for the trade to close profitably. As you can see, this strategy is very simple and practical, and whether you're a professional trader or a beginner, you can easily use it to achieve good profits from the market. In the following, I have executed several trades using this strategy, and in each one, my risk amount was $100. You can see how much profit I made with this strategy. Finally, I highly recommend that if you really like scalping strategies, be sure to watch these 2 strategies that I suggest, as they will be very useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I will respond quickly. Until the next video, goodbye.